Hello, today you are gathered together with TP Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to tell you grade 9 science 10th lesson. Electrolysis. Now let us learn about electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Liquid or the solution which conduct electricity are known as electrolytes. Examples for electrolytes: salt solution, copper sulfate, acidified water. Liquid or the solution which do not conduct electricity are known as non-electrolytes. Examples for non-electrolytes: kerosene oil, distilled water. Now let us learn about ionic compounds. Compounds such as sodium chloride and copper sulfate are known as ionic compounds. They exist in solid state. Ionic compounds are good electric conductors. When an ionic compound is heated and brought to the liquid state, it is called fused substance. Ions in a fused substance also can move. Accordingly, ionic compounds conduct electricity in fused state. The electrode connected to the negative terminal of the external supply of the electricity is called the negative electrode. The electrode connected to the positive terminal of the external supply of electricity is called the positive electrode. The chemical change effected by the passing an electric current through an electrode is known as electrolysis. A substance that does not react chemically with the electrode referred as instead electrode. Carbon, graphite, and platinum electrodes are such examples. Now let us learn about application of electrolysis. Electrolysis is frequently used in various industries. Extraction of various metals, example aluminium, sodium. Industrial manufacture of caustic soda. Electroplating. The plating of certain metals on another surface using electricity is referred as electroplating. Now let us learn the characteristic of high quality electroplating. The clothing should be firmly to the surface subject to plating. The clothing should be conform thickness. The clothing should be shiny. Copper, silver, gold, nickel and chromium are some metals used to take electroplating. There are some examples for electroplating. Some copper jewelry subjected to electroplating, some electroplated kitchen equipment and some electroplated spare parts. Now this lesson is over. Now you don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it now.